Hey guys, I've never posted a YouTube video before, but I thought I'd do one on this problem that I've been trying to solve. Didn't find any videos that really helped with this. I've got a Bowie smoker from Green Mountain Grills that I bought about 4 years ago. Had a lot of good success with it, done a lot of smoking, but ran into an issue that I haven't been able to solve, an auger issue, and there's lots of videos on augers out there. But I had the auger freeze up on me. I cleaned out the hopper, but didn't clean out the auger, and it froze up on me solid. I've had that happen one time before where I was able to take it apart and get it all broken apart and cleaned out. But this time it was frozen completely solid. I did everything short of a sledgehammer to get that thing loose, and finally broke down. And I'll show you a picture of that auger. As you can see, it's pretty rusted and stuff. It's been sitting all winter, but it's that time of the year to start smoking, so I finally figured I'd sort this one out. So I ordered a brand new full auger assembly directly from the factory, which was a lot cheaper than the online ones, and I knew it would fit. One of the issues that I ran into is, and there's one video I saw out there of somebody that refurbished a similar smoker from Green Mountain Grills that they repainted it and had a really hard time getting the auger assembly to fit into the little burner box there. There's two tubes. You got the tube that comes from the auger assembly that just looks like that one right there. And then there's another tube that comes through that hole right there, where the burner routes through a little conduit that comes through there. And that one is loose. It kind of fits on the thing, but to line those two up to go into the burner box is a nightmare. Anyway, so I finally came up with a couple solutions to sort this out. I don't know if it's going to work. If I post this video, it's because I got the smoker up and running and it's working fine. But I did two things. One, I went to the hardware store and just bought I bought 4 bolts that fit right into the standard nut and bolt hole there. I did 2 up there, and actually did 2 at the bottom of the assembly there as a guide. Kind of thought, what would the factory have done to install this? And I figured use something as a guide to line everything up. If you look at the bottom of the auger assembly right here at the bottom, there's a little joint there that fits right into the bottom of the smoker, so it's got to line up perfectly. And then of course that auger assembly needs to fit right into the right spot of the hole, so the alignment's pretty tight. So I ended up cutting off the very end of the conduit for the wires just to give me a little bit of play, so I wouldn't have to fit that all together. Yeah, the conduit's fastened, I don't know, just kind of tight press fits onto the bottom of the burner box, but getting that to go in was a challenge. So I just cut off the very end of it and then put that in there solid, fish the wires through, so at least the wires are still in that conduit to give it a little bit of protection. And then I used these longer bolts like I showed you there, and loosened up the nuts on the top of the burner box, these small ones right here, to give me a little bit of play, and got it all to fit together very carefully, tightened everything down, and all of the bolts are in except for these 2 top ones, but the bottom is where the challenge is. So should be able to put those last couple bolts in and then put this thing back together, plug all the wires in, and we should be in good shape. So anyway, just thought I'd post that. If someone else runs into this kind of a thing, that's one potential solution.